Hello, 8th graders. Welcome to Wednesday of the week before the last week where school is almost done. So you might notice that it is actually light outside, so I'm not recording this at like midnight, and we're outside. So consider this bonus footage, director's cut, whatever you want. Because I really don't have too much to say today, but I miss you guys, so I wanted to pop in and say hello. You just have to finish your no-red ink and write in your journal today, and that's it. So it should be hopefully a pretty easy day for you, because I know things are kind of wrapping up. And hopefully you finished reading your book, because you know your book chat is on Monday, and you've had your book for 7 weeks-ish. So hopefully you finished doing that, and that you are ready to go, ready to present that on Monday, and then your vocab quiz is going to be next Wednesday. So make sure that you're ready for those two things. That's all I really have for you today, just as some bonus content. Here is tiny one, Nora. Nora, here you are. And for anyone wanting to know, this is my backyard. So we have a screened-in porch over there, and there's where our life-size Sven is. Not life-size, that would be insane. Yeah, so if you're ever like, oh, I wonder what it's like to be at Mrs. Channing's house all summer, this is it. That's it. So pretty short video. If you have questions, comments, concerns, want to just reach out, feel free to email me. Let me know. I miss you guys. I will see you next week for our last week of classes, and then you'll be high schoolers.